Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So I'm going to be doing a quick short video on how to replace the vanity mirror on the passenger side. This works for both the driver and the passenger. I'm going to be doing these short videos in case you want to just do this light specifically. But I do have a link below that showcases all the lights being changed out. The light bulb I'm going to be using are these T10 bulbs from Lasfit. The tool I'll be using is also a trim piece tool. You want to be using these tools so that you don't scratch any of the plastic housing. So I'm going to start off from the left corner. This one's a fairly easy pop. Go ahead and pull out that housing. You can actually release this part to making things easier. And these are the lights that actually turn on when you open the mirror. Pull that out. Stick in the new bulbs. Test it out before you close it. Put the plastic housing back in. Slide it in and then you want to push it all right to the corner and then push it in like that.